What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. And this wig is going to be from Nadula Hair. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiamani back with another video, and today's unit is going to be from Nadula Hair. And here's all the goodies that come in the box with the wig. And the specs on the unit is it is a 22-inch lace front body wave wig. To begin, I did have a certain style in mind, so I dyed the wig jet black. And here I am just straightening her with some silkening serum, just so it's a nice, sleek, straightened press. And here, after I straightened her all out, I like to even my ends out with just a pair of scissors. I feel like it makes it look a lot more sleek. The next thing you want to do is put the wig on. And I'm trying her on so I can dictate how much I want to part out for my bang. As you can see, I did part out a triangle shaped piece. And I don't like my bangs too thick, so this was just enough for me. And just to make sure that the wig sits very flat, I do like to use my freeze spray with a hot comb to make sure the roots are very sleek. Before you cut your bangs, you do want to make sure that you do cut this lace off. Next, you want to make sure you flatten out the very front part of your bang so it lays flat too. And I'm just going over the top part because I need all of that to be nice and silk. And by silk, I mean super flat. Next, the way that I cut my bangs is I like to use a razor comb, number one, but then I gradually get shorter. I don't just cut it super short off the bat because sometimes I like it longer and sometimes I like it shorter. This is a really good technique to use. As you can see, I like the edges to be a lot longer than the middle part. I don't really know why, but because it kind of blends in with the back of the hair. But if you ever wanted to put it up in a half up, half down, or tuck it behind the ears, you'll be able to see. I think it's so cute. If you ever wanted to know how people get fringe bangs, girl, it's a razor comb. And they are super cheap at the beauty supply. So if you want a choppy look, girl, get you a razor comb. Just like that, our look is complete. So many people gave me so many compliments on this wig, and I think it's because I look just like my mom. If you see my mom, you know. So if you did want to pick up this wig and try this out on your own, everything on her will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much, Nadula here, and I'll see you on my next one. Mwah.